In this lecture, we will discuss about policy, which is the fourth category of the function govern. Let us now discuss about the fourth category, that is policies, processes and procedures. It has total 2 subcategories. We will discuss in detail how to implement each of these. First subcategory requires that policy for managing cybersecurity risk is established based on organizational context, cybersecurity strategy and priorities, and same is communicated and implemented. So to implement this, what you need to do is prepare a comprehensive cybersecurity policy. To simplify your implementation, we have provided ready-made templates. You can download the same from resource section of the Udemy. Refer our template number 1, that is cybersecurity policy, which is completely aligned with CSF 2.0 requirements. You can use the same template and modify according to your requirements. Second subcategory requires that policy for managing cybersecurity risk is reviewed and updated at regular intervals. So, first thing that you need to do is define the authority who can approve the policy. Define policy review, updates and schedule. So, at what periodicity it should be reviewed and updated. And third one, periodically review and assess the existing policies against updated legal, regulatory and organizational requirements. You may like to refer clause 2, 3 and 4 of our template, that is cybersecurity policy. You may like to use the same template and modify according to your requirements. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the next category, that is oversight. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.